So, you're looking for a way to disconnect, to really focus on your words without the endless scroll. Well, this 1980s manual typewriter might just be the answer. It's been deeply restored by a craftsman, which is quite something for a machine this age. Now, it's not perfect, and the description is upfront about that. There are still some minor quirks, like a key that might stick now and then. So, if you're a perfectionist, this might not be your cup of tea. But here's the thing, that's part of its charm, isn't it? It's a tangible connection to a different era of writing. The sound of the keys, that satisfying clack-clacking, it's almost meditative. It really does pull you away from digital distractions, forcing you to slow down and think about what you're putting on paper. It's not just about writing letters or stories, it's about the experience. And let's talk about how it looks. This isn't just a writing tool, it's a statement piece. Imagine this sitting on your desk. It adds this incredible vintage vibe, a real conversation starter. It's got that classic retro aesthetic that just draws you in. It comes with a brand new ink ribbon, so you're ready to go right out of the box, and the craftsmanship in the restoration is evident. The seller is also offering continuous support for 2 years, which is pretty reassuring. If you run into any issues, like laggy typing or faint print, they're promising to help sort it out. It's a nice touch, especially for a vintage item. Honestly, it's a unique way to engage with writing. It's not for everyone, and it certainly has its imperfections, but for someone seeking that nostalgic, focused writing experience, this restored manual typewriter offers something truly special. It's a piece of history you can actually use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.